big red airplane is a MB 349, designed and built by a man named Daniel Socionovi in Italy. This is the smaller one. He has another one with a vertical stab about that big. The plane flies fabulous. There was a trainer designed by the Italians, and this particular one has a cat chasing a duck on the front of it, and was a air show plane of the Italian Air Force commemorating the 100th anniversary of the Italian Air Force in 2003, which means that the Italian Air Force started in 1903, over 120 years ago now. The airplane's flown with a 4 radio. It's got a JetCat 220 engine in it. Weighs wet about 68 pounds, and it's a fabulous flying airplane. Low flight, fast, point rolls, loops, outside loops, will do anything that you ask it to do. It was a trainer for the Air Force, for the Italian Air Force, and many Air Forces in Europe used it as a trainer.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
My home field, we only feed out. I mean, well, and we only have 25 people. Only 10 or 12 are really active, and we only have 2 turbine pilots. So the turbine pilots are really okay.
I'm going to fly tomorrow.
Yeah, I know, without a doubt.
Yeah, it just, it helps get out of the
Yeah.
coming out there a little fast.
Oh, absolutely.
So easy. Then everybody should be more comfortable if you got a spot.
I definitely don't mind. Like I said, I don't necessarily mind the traffic. I love having the stop. But the one thing that it's kind of like that. It's like you can't feel it when you got shoo, all that going on.
Yeah, definitely.
Well, hopefully that's all it was. But it sure felt good.
Hope so. one takeoff. Don't try it. I did give you a ticket.
Didn't want it because
Then I didn't give it to you?
no, I didn't come get it. Once I got it started, I took off.
You lazy. There you
I
go.
wasn't sure it would go. Look at the battery. Kind of like battery. I had a couple of flights on it, but it's very easy. And I did put it in the deal.
Dang, it's crazy you get 2 flights. Maybe it was just low before that or something. What I would do is when he lands, he's going to go by and then go slide and taxi out. When he comes in, go run. There's nobody else around. So wait for him to get back here to take off.